Hey Siri, call Abby.
Hey guys, we back with another video. Before you get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload. Today is a very exciting day. Like, we're gonna be outside today. You know, we're gonna be in my dad's car because, you know, we're gonna be outside. But me and my mom, we're going, and maybe we're gonna get my mom a new car. So she's gonna get her new car today. Like, and I'm like, that's free content right there. So we're gonna vlog the whole day. Like, I just got out the shower, I got dressed or whatever. I got on my baggy jeans and my Jupiter, my Planet shirt, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I don't know if I want to do anything to my hair though. Yeah. Like, I'm like asking clothes, and I'm not really used to doing that when I'm clothes and I'm gonna put her on like some music, like, and no one's hurt more than me. Oh, all right, okay. I feel like I want you, but I did like stop. It's like, I don't know, my ponytails always look uneven. But alright. See, that's just one long joint. Alright, but we about to do my edges. My mom's like ready to leave out, but not me. Because I'm about to do my edges like I just said. What? My cat's meowing like, alright. Yes, sir. Yes. Always trying to talk to me. Like, I don't want to talk to you.
Persian rose.
My top tier accessory. You know, cruising down the street on my 6'5". You know, cute cotton, baggy jeans. I don't know what shoes to put on. Don't look at me like that. The freak. I might just put on my Vans, my big Vans, my Cardi Vans, my skater Vans. I don't know. Or I'll put on my Jordans or my Pumas. I honestly don't know. But here's the outfit for today. We're just gonna stuff y'all like. You just wanted to recreate that scene like what? Alright. But yo, I wanted to change my shirt, you know. Say no, but I wanted to look a little bit more, what's the word? I don't know. My mom calls it girly, but
Bye.
of course. Alright. Wait, I'm gonna put y'all over here real quick so y'all can get the full view. You need to stand there for a second.
This messy table, like, come on here.
Why are you saying, come on, Angelique? None of my stuff is on this table except for the Vaseline.
It don't matter, the table is messy, and you got it on record.
They can't see the table. Hello?
I'm sorry, then. Let me take my water.
She always bashing me.
What did he say? Oh, didn't I say I was gonna call him right back? Hey Siri, call hubby.
Grand finale. We here. We are here. Yo, we're gonna get this car.
We're gonna get this truck.
I mean, yeah.
This Jeep.
This SUV, this Jeep. Yeah.
Yeah. And God is gonna be good to me. Yeah.
Alright. Bye. See ya. Y'all, this might be the one. It might be. It is the one, y'all.
I think it might be. I like
It's either this one or this one right across. So, or like, cause she like the black one with the leather sheets, and she like this one. But this one like was her ideal one, or the other ones like. But yeah, I'll be back, y'all.
One hour later.
I'm still waiting. Like, not waiting, but like, you know. Yeah.
2 hours later.
Okay.
Y'all, so we're not leaving with anything. Ain't that right? What's this? What? Y'all, we just like, we so happy, and it's all because of the man up above.
No.
All because, oh, that's a T.
Hello.
That was a cross.
Turn on your video. Angelique wanna show you something.
You'll be, listen, after year one, you'll be cool. It took me a whole year to get used to that car. I mean, and even to this day right now, I'm still.
Y'all, we in a party.
I don't even let nobody, well, you letting everybody know what I'm doing, but I'm good. I'm Gucci, man.
Mom, how you feeling?
Gucci, man.
She feeling good, y'all. She happy, she hype. I'm happy, I'm hype. Like, my bad.
How does it look like? That's that new baby.
So, I'm home. I'm home. Yeah. Hi, Blue. Want to see my new puppy? Come on. Say hi. We still got the first and original doggy, but she's in the house somewhere. But yeah, I'm about to go relax under the AC.
Yeah. It's just 7 o'clock. Yeah. You got me looking at my watch every minute. Yeah. Because I'm waiting on you. I said I'm waiting on you. Make a move. I'm waiting on you. Yeah. 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do is get on top of me, because I'm all up on you. All up on you. I've been thinking a lot, yeah. I've been thinking about one thing mostly, yeah.
So totally don't question me about like why the video cut off, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyways. My phone had died, and then I was just like, you know what, all they know is that we got the car and how they seen it. And yeah, it's a nice car, it's a big car. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's currently like 1 something in the morning, and I'm like getting done editing the video so I can upload it. Yeah, so I hope y'all really do enjoy the video. I hope that, you know, I don't know what I hope, but you know, I hope that this becomes a more current thing where I currently upload, you know. But yeah, because I was just kind of editing and I realized that I didn't have an outro because my phone died and I came upstairs and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you please do like, comment, and subscribe, you know, and excuse me, share this video with your families and friends, you know. Excuse me. Enjoy your night or morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching this, and see you next time. Bye.